Crude oil WTI has started the day with a slight pullback, but once again 74 levels, which were the resistance earlier, have now become the very good support, and we have seen it now bouncing back from the same zone, while natural gas traded in a narrow zone and stayed bullish. Now, what to expect with the US session today from oil and gas? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frame, and uh, giving you proper reasoning for a particular entry and take profits. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first oil, followed with gas. Watch. If you look at oil on the hourly charts, after this big rise, it is retraced, it is forming this nice flag, and we know that there are greater resistances now available here at around 74.5, 75.4, 75.5 levels. In fact, even if you see it is staying above 75, 75 is the median of the Bollinger Bands, and any move above 75 should be a good indication for further bullish. But I will say I will treat this as slightly riskier as long as it stays below 75.4, 75.5. But if you look at the formation here, see a very good support is also created on the downside, and it is trying to recover. So yes, a breakout beyond 75, you can initiate a slight buying entry, but then we have to be trading with caution as long as first 74.5, 74.4 zone is not taken, and then second 75.8, 75 point or 76 levels are not taken. This complete zone till 76 is going to remain a greater resistance. Moving averages trading bullish, the stochastic rising after double bottom, while the MACD has crossed over here and right now looking downwards, trying to trade slightly bearish. We have seen in our first update, see after a good rise it has crossed over, and thus a slight down move can be expected. RSI is starting to rise, coming to prices have come down towards 20 period moving average, taking the support. See, none of the candles have closed below 20 period, and with that it is trying to bounce, trying to rise. Yes, you can buy here at 75, but with a little caution till towards 75.4, 75.5 levels. Moving averages again starting to diverge. Stochastic rising, MACD in green trying to converge, crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI showing a bit of rise, and on the 3 hour, the observation on the 3 hour charts is more or less same. One bearish candle, bigger bearish candle, higher lows here, trying to recover. A possibility of a move towards 75.2, 75.4 exists, but again, till then you have to be cautious. And if you look at the move here, see it is now trying to create another modest bullish channel here, where the highs are towards 76, 76.3. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD after the crossover trying to trade with modest bullishness, while RSI is running flat. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same after a bit of retracement, trying to recover. However, I'll say uh, till 75.4, 75.5. At least we have to be cautious. Only bullishness is above this. Also remember, if you see trading below now 74.4, you can take a selling entry, expect 74 levels again. Now 74 is going to remain one prime support, 73.6, 73.7 the second, and then 73 levels will appear. What has happened here, if you look at the move, just draw this, you can find out it is trading in this flag formation. After this good bullish move, it is forming a nice flag, and a down move from here cannot be denied. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is in green with trading with modest bullishness, the RSI is running flat. And on the daily, now on the daily charts, see it has formed a tail and trying to break. If you divide the chart into two, you can say this could be the symmetrical formation, this could be the reversal sign red green, and what preceded this was the green candle. What could wait or what could be seen here is a breakout here, and thus it is very very important now to observe how it behaves. Thus you can buy though at 75, but again I will say you have to be cautious. Right now I will not treat this as completely bullish, though the move this move, the crossover or the convergence in the moving averages, is definitely a good sign for the bulls, but it is not yet crossed over. The stochastic has dropped here, MACD rising, RSI flat. Looking at this, you can buy here at $75 levels. When you see the lower price above 75, initiate a buying entry. Expect 75.4, 75.5 levels. At the in fact 75.2 also is an intermittent resistance, but 75.4, 75.5 you can look at, then 75.8, 76. And if these two levels are taken, sky is the limit. Stay bullish. We are looking forward to 76.6, 77.2, and 77.8, 78 levels as the next target. chances for such a strong move appears less. However, these are markets. On the downside, now I will recommend a selling entry or at 74.4 levels, where you can expect a move towards 74, which is going to remain an extremely good support, and below 74 is where slight bearishness may be seen towards 73.6, 73.5, and then 73 levels. These are going to remain extremely critical and strong support on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see natural gas on the hourly charts, very clear. The crossover here is a good sign for the bulls. Second thing, it has respected the support and it is now giving a breakout here. 2.92 it has breached and it has come towards the next one at 2.94. And we also know that beyond this we can expect 2.96. So because as long as now it stays below 2.96, we have to be careful. But once it breaks beyond this, a stronger bullish move can be expected. The crossover here in the moving averages definitely is a good sign here for the bulls. The stochastic rising, MACD is rising, and the RSI is also rising here. On the 2 hour, the observation on the 2 hour charts is more or less same, a flat base trying to break out. A move beyond 2.94, we can expect further bullish move towards 2.96, and any breakout beyond 2.96 is a clear indication that now the bulls are taking over. See, it has seen a stronger bearish move now trying to break out on the upside. So possibly staying beyond 2.96 is where a stronger momentum can be seen, which can take the prices towards 3.02 or higher levels. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI is rising as well. On the 3 hour, the observation on the 3 hour chart, see one stronger candle consolidation. Now it is willing to give a breakout, and this is something you should watch out for. See, first bullish candle consolidation, and this breakout can be strong enough for the prices to move towards $3 levels. So yes, you can buy here at 2.94 with a little caution till towards 2.96 and $3 levels. Stochastic slightly overbought. MACD has crossed over here. Now trading with divergence looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour, the observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same, just waiting for a breakout. And yes, 2.94 should be an ideal buying entry for us to proceed with. And also on the downside, now 2.9 is the only level below which you can confirm the bears to take over. Else, as long as it stays about 2.9 now, we should not be trying to sell natural gas. Yes, we should not be treating this as bearish, and yes, a recovery can be seen. Any move towards 2.9 should be a good opportunity for us to enter into a buying position. The moving average, which is traded bearish, have started to converge now. I will wait. If it crosses over, that will also confirm a complete reversal. Stochastic is certainly overbought. Look at the MACD. After sharp bearishness, it has crossed over. Trading with divergence, this also suggests slight recovery here, and thus the prices may try to recover some of the losses what we had seen in the recent past. And likewise, the RSI is also looking upwards. This is again a very good bullish sign. Coming to daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, what has happened here, it was prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. We have seen a convergence towards 20 period, and now the 20 period moving average have become a very good support. Now taking the support from the 20 period moving average, the prices are trying to recover, and this suggests that it could continue here at least for a while. Even if it is not willing to break past 3.1, we can see a move which can take the price towards 3.05, and from those levels we'll see what it tries to do, because I still see there is lot much of bullish momentum is still pending in net gas. However, it has come out of this bullish channel, and right now it is very important for it to either break above 3.1 or below 2.8 levels in order to confirm a direction it is willing to take. The moving averages here are still bullish. Stochastic has come to oversold, now trying to bounce back, but look at the MACD. Now this is important because what has happened on MACD, a stronger rise is seen, and now it has crossed over. So on the daily charts, it appears that net gas, yes, it can converge a bit, and even if it converges, it can hit the highs. However, there is lot much of downside of it. So yes, still towards 3.1, we should not be treating this as bullish, at least for the next week as well. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone. So looking at very simple, buy when you see the lower price about 2.94, be careful till towards 2.96. That is the only level above which little bullishness may prevail, and then we can look forward to 3.0 to 3.05 and 3.1 levels. These levels and this zone between 3.1 is going to remain a prime resistance for natural gas. It can completely reverse the trend hitting the 3.1 levels. On the downside now, I will recommend a selling entry only at 2.9 when you see the price is trading below 2.9, or you can sell at 2.991 zone, below which you can expect it to move towards 2.88 and 88, an extremely good support. And if it breaks below 2.88, stay bearish for 2.85 and 2.8 levels. Chances for such a strong bearish move appears to be less today. Take your positions accordingly. Do not miss to watch the weekly reviews tomorrow. Do like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend.